Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the concept of limits. A. Now how to pronounce this kind of writing. As x approach a value of a, the value of a function fx will approach a value of L. This is how we pronounce the situation in A. By referring to B, we have a situation limit when x approaching A for the function fx over gx, and we will approach IDF. So what is IDF? Indeterminate form. So if we met this kind of situation, there are several strategies that can be used to solve this kind of problems. Number 1, multiply by the conjugate. Number 2, factorization. Number 3, long division. Here we have an example for the indeterminate form. Limit when x approaching 3 for the function 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 over x minus 3. First, what we have to do is to substitute the value of 3 into the function. So, 3 to the power of 2, we will have 9. 9 multiplied with 2, we will have 18. Minus with 15, minus with 3 over 0. So at the end, our product will be 0 over 0. And we have what we call the indeterminate form. There are several strategies that can be used to solve this kind of problem. Number 1, multiply by the conjugate. Number 2, factorization. Number 3, long division. So in here, my suggestion would be factorization. So with the help of the calculator, limits when x approaching 3 after we factorize the situation, and we will have 2x plus 1 multiplied with x minus 3 over x minus 3. Here we notice that we have a common terms, which is x minus 3, and we can simplify the situation. Finally, we have limits when x approaching 3, 2x plus 1. If we substitute the value, and we will have 7. So, when x approaching 3 for the function fx, the value of y would be approaching 7. So now we have the second situation for the indeterminate form. First, substitute the value into the function, and we will have 0 for the numerator. If we substitute negative 2 into the function or the denominator, and we will have 0. So in this case, we have it as indeterminate form. There are several strategies that can be used to solve this kind of problem. Number 1, multiply by the conjugate. Number 2, factorization. Number 3, long division. So for this case, my suggestion would be factorization. So with the help from the calculator, limits when x approaching negative 2, we will have x plus 2 over x minus 2 multiplied with x plus 2. So notice that we have a common terms, and we can simplify. Then we will have limits when x approaching negative 2, 1 will be the numerator over x minus 2. Next, what we have to do is to substitute the value into the function. And finally, we will have negative 1 over 4. So as x approaching the value of negative 2, the value of the function approach a value of negative 1 over 4. So here we are, and thanks for watching.